Henan Zhongrui Machinery offers a comprehensive range of soybean oil extraction solutions tailored to meet different client needs. Whether you are looking for small-scale machinery suitable for family businesses or large industrial equipment designed for commercial operations, they have the right solution for you. Their soybean oil presses are engineered with advanced technology, ensuring high efficiency, low energy consumption, and easy maintenance. These machines can effectively extract oil while preserving the natural nutrients of soybeans. What sets Henan Zhongrui apart is its commitment to innovation and quality control. The company invests heavily in research and development, constantly upgrading its equipment to keep up with market demands and technological advancements. Additionally, if you are searching for a trustworthy partner in the soybean oil extraction industry, Henan Zhongrui Machinery deserves serious consideration. With years of experience and a proven track record,